All the leads you have extracted from LinkedIn with Phantombuster will be stored in your LinkedIn leads database on your Phantombuster account. You will be able to apply some filters and to create different lists of leads. Let's take a look at some examples. Here you can see that I am on my LinkedIn leads database. I extracted more than 14,000 contacts. The first list I want to create is leads from my LinkedIn network. So I want to have a list where each of the leads is part of my LinkedIn network. I will need to click on filter here, add a condition, and search for the connection degree variable. I will go a bit down under LinkedIn profile. Here you'll have the connection degree variable. So here I want to say connection degree is first. So it means that these people are part of my LinkedIn network. I will say filters as a list and then give it a name, LinkedIn network. And then you will see that more than 3,000 leads here are part of my LinkedIn network. I would like now to create a second list based on the leads I have extracted from a certain phantom. So I will click on all leads here and search for filter. Apply a condition which is processed by phantom, and here I can select the phantom I want to get the leads from. Here it will be Sales Navigator, Sales Manager, Boston and Dallas that I just processed before. And you will see that here I have 600 leads that I extracted with this phantom, but it's Sales Manager in Dallas and in Boston. I would like to have only the ones from Dallas. So I can come back here, add a condition. And if I click on location, I can say the location must contain Dallas. And here you will see that I have only the leads I extracted from this phantom coming from Dallas. It's a bit less than before, a bit more than 400 leads. And then once again, I can save filters as a list. Sales Manager in Dallas. And my second list is created. Something you need to know is that from a list which is already created, you can always apply some new filters and save your changes. If we take this example, Sales Manager in Dallas, I could say that I want to get only people being Sales Manager in Dallas having the word manager in their job title. So I could add another condition with the variable job, and I would like to say contains the word manager, and click Save Changes. So you see that there is a lower amount of people here. So I got this new list. The change is saved. So this is my final list. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and wishing you a good day. Bye bye.